Finally, Madam Deputy Speaker, this bill is not just a good example of decisive action taken in the interest of national security. It is also a good example of Parliament's role in our political system. In this country, the main job of the judiciary is to interpret and apply Parliament's will. Unlike in other countries, judges are not the highest safeguards of our Constitution. In Britain, that task is given to, and must remain with, the British people themselves. And so, when the judiciary makes a decision which runs contrary to the will of Parliament, either as it was or as it is today, Parliament is perfectly entitled to overturn that decision. In fact, it must do so if our political system is to work as it should. In, say, the United States, the Supreme Court's job involves working out the intention of long-dead statesmen. That is not the case here in the United Kingdom, where Parliament is a living and breathing institution embodying the sovereignty of the British people. It can clarify its will or issue new guidance. This kind of institutional dialogue is healthy. Indeed, it is the lifeblood of our politics. And so not only do we welcome the specific measures before us today, but we also welcome the approach taken by the government on this matter. We have seen ministers and MPs on the government benches behave as if the law is an entity unto itself, an authority above all others, entirely separate from the political process. This could not be further from the truth. We must never forget that the supreme authority in this country is Parliament, and that the job of Parliament is to legislate in the interests of the British people. When the legal process produces a result which is not in the interests of the British people, not only is this House well within its rights to overturn it, it must do so.